Hey guys, good morning. It's morning. It's actually like I don't know, maybe 8 a.m. or thereabout, or 9 a.m. or thereabout. So
Good morning, my friends and my people. How are we doing? Hope we are very, very fine. We'll have to be fine because we have no other choice than to be fine. We have to give thanks to Almighty God for keeping us alive.
yup. And
Good morning. How are you people doing?
okay, and yeah, we're actually going to the market to shop for
For our baby, and our baby.
yes, and also for Elizabeth too. Okay, because she since she just came, we need to change some of our clothings, like outing clothes and some church clothes too.
Yeah.
So we need to shop for her and our baby. Okay, so I hope the rain won't spoil today's vlog. But anyhow, we will still show you something. When we get to the shop, we would show you, depending, but if the shop is too crowded or because of the rain, because it's the cloud has actually changed a whole lot.
Yeah, I don't know why it's like that. Yesterday it was sunny not true.
Okay, so we will show you, and we're gonna be showing you some of the dresses. I'm so excited. Like, this is actually my first experience. Baby,
Going to buy children.
is it your first experience?
Yeah, it is now.
You have to speak
But
loud.
it is, but I've been buying children clothes too. You know,
Children clothes for who? Okay, for your nephew.
For my nephew, I that child was with me when he was 2 years old till now. I think he's in SS1 now. I think I've trained the child.
Okay, so you have experience.
Yeah, I have experience.
We have
buying
actually
children clothes.
not trained a child, like a little child, but I've been with Alfred. Alfred came when he was around 8 years old, just like Elizabeth. Okay, Elizabeth is 8. Abby,
You're semi-adult too.
yes.
You're semi-adult. Me, I've trained a child. I've nursed a child. A child, I will tell you, I don't want to eat this. This is what I want to eat. This is what my mom used to give to me. This is what my dad used to give to me. I have no other choice than to adapt. So, I did it.
But
until
how old was Divine?
It was 2 years
2 years.
when the father died. No, when the mother and the father died, he was 2 years, and I adopted him, and it was fine, all through.
Yeah.
Presently now he's in SS1. He's a big boy now. He has BS. Just as I have BS now.
When I met the boy, he was like, I went aside. He told me that the boy was his son.
That's what I do tell people.
So, I know when he left, I now asked the boy, is that your daddy? The boy now said, no, it's my uncle.
He doesn't like telling people that. The day I told him, why don't you call me daddy? He said, are you the one that gave birth to me? You are not my daddy. I said, how come stubborn boy?
This guy's supposed to boy with this. Okay, so we would be taking you along. I hope the rain doesn't spoil the day, because definitely we're going to buy some clothing. When today is not the day to buy all of those trolleys and baby stuff. We're gonna do that another day, but today is for clothes. Although it's not gonna be just today, because me, I don't have experience, not even one, about buying baby things. So my cousin UK is gonna come with us, because she has 2 kids already, and she's actually going to be the one to be like, okay, buy this, buy this, buy this, and buy this and stuff. So that's why she's actually coming with us. We're gonna be picking her up along the road, so let's rush.
Okay. Stay.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Don't mind me. Actually going out. Where is hubby? Baby, your people want to see your. They want to see your.
Hello guys, what's up? How you guys doing? Guys, my beautiful wife. She's she's looking.
And slay.
She's looking golden.
Oh.
Golden.
Oh.
Golden.
Oh.
Ever looking golden.
Anyway, so we're actually going out. We're heading somewhere. So the thing is that oh my god, our dining has actually arrived. So we're soon gonna be doing a furnished apartment tour very soon. Yeah. So the thing is that the other day we went to the market, man. So I told you guys it was raining. I'll be back. Alright, so I've actually put on my seatbelt before before I put on your seatbelt to fill the comment section. My seatbelt is on. Look at that. Look at. But this is actually one of the reasons why I don't like putting on seatbelt, because it's actually tight here. I don't know. What do you think about that? What were you saying?
I said I thank them because I do tell you, just put on your seatbelts. It's as if there's any other thing on it. As if putting your seatbelt will give me $1 million.
I better go, Joe.
Putting your seatbelt will give me $1 million. Huh? Because I am an able man, so you think everything I'm doing is a business. Huh? Putting your seatbelt is for your safety. Huh? What I go?
Okay, so as I was saying, Jare, before the short break, what was I saying? Okay, yeah, I was talking about the market. I was saying that since it was raining, so we couldn't vlog again while we were buying our baby stuff, baby clothes. We bought some beautiful, and yeah, also I was pretty weak. So my husband was actually the one just, picking the cloth and just showing me. And also my cousin was assisting so well, like, okay, very well.
She's an experienced mother. She has 2 kids. So.
Yeah.
So that was the reason why we went with her. And she's good in pricing, just like the way I do. I'm good in pricing, or I price very well. I price Maggie. When I go to market, I price Maggie.
Baby, are you serious? You just want to tell them that you're an Igbo man?
I price Maggie, even salt, I price salt.
Abba, baby, you say now you don't price salt. Salt has fixed price.
No, it does not have fixed price.
That's true.
Inflate the price. So that is the reason why I like pricing.
So since I wasn't strong, I had to just show you guys that. I always love to show you guys, the strengths, my happiness, okay? I wouldn't want to show you, oh, I'm having fever, oh, I'm weak. No, that's not what you want to see, because I want to lighten up your day, or rather we would want to lighten up your day and make you feel excited. Okay, so we wouldn't want to come and be showing you the other side. Sometimes because of this precious angel.
Yeah, we're just so blessed, baby. We are so blessed. I give thanks to Almighty God.
Yeah.
Because He is the only one who had made all this possible.
Yeah, baby.
Getting married, smiling, expecting a baby within a space of oh God, you are great.
Oh, Abasi.
I'll keep appreciating Him all the days of my life.
Abasi menam so songo. Do you know what that means? I know some of you guys are my sister. Like, I know all of you are my sister, but some of you guys are from Ibibio. I'm from Akwa Ibom. I speak Ibibio. I speak Efik too. So you know what that means. So let me know at the comment section what does that mean. Okay, guys. So that was why we didn't show you the shopping of baby clothing. But when we go to buy baby items, we would have to baby items like trolley, like bed, like all of those stuff. We'll definitely have to vlog. I also pray that day will be a strong day for me.
Yeah, it will. Very strong.
So we also bought some clothes for Elizabeth, and she was pretty excited. Okay, and she want to show you guys some of the clothes, so we're actually going to be making a video on that. Probably we might even be posting the video before posting this one, I don't know. Anyone, sha. All right, let's go, because we don't talk plenty.
Yeah,
But I hope say you don't enjoy our talk. Which kind
my
of
heart is escalated with a lot of joy. So
which kind of devilish laugh?
good
be
to
that
laugh.
one?
Laughing is medicinal. But laugh, they make your laugh.
Your laugh, they make my laugh now. You know that kind of thing. I beg you, go talk later, yeah?
Enjoy.